the previous video, I talked about data matching and how important it is, but it's not always this straightforward as we have in the divide curve. It's some portions. In some cases, we are facing with issues that is not that straightforward. For instance, if I divide length of this curve, like let's say with 100, okay, maybe it's too little, maybe 200 or 2500, it's too much. 1500 maybe. Okay, here we go. And if we do the same thing, you see what I have here. And the problem with this is if I want to create this points, what I have is this, which is the problem. But I want to keep this kind of proportions, let's say based on this curve on the left-hand side. That's very important for me. So what I need to do then, instead of dividing this with the same length, I can evaluate this curve with the parameters that I am receiving from here. So in this case, what I'm receiving is the parameters is this, like, right? 0, 1500, and so on and so forth. So if I get this and if I right click, reparameterize this, but I started to see my parameters has changed. So if I right click to this, reparameterize, and connect these parameters, I'll get same proportional. This is very important. Proportional division again. And when I connect this here, I get something a little cleaner than the previous one. And this will follow along. Okay. So left-hand side, this curve is our driver here. So this is our driver. Based on this curve, I divide the other curve, or based on the length of this curve, I divide the other curve. This is very important because sometimes we have to make sure that the things that we are using can affect the others. So in this case, left curve is the curve that you should supposed to keep with the division, with the length that you have. However, the other curve is kind of your extension or your roof or something else. So in that case, you can basically drive the division based on the parameters that you have from the divide length and then map it onto this curve and then get the points, the same amount of points, and then connect it. If you're serious about learning Grasshopper, I have 2 spots working with me one-on-one setting. You can book a call with me with the link in description so that I can tell you how I can help you to teach or to learn Grasshopper from beginner to advanced. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.